The principle of separability in arbitration. Imagine this. Two multinational companies sign a contract worth millions of dollars. Everything looks perfectly fine till a dispute suddenly arises. One company claims that the entire contract is invalid because of fraud. Now, here's the real legal question. If the contract is invalid, does the arbitration clause disappear as well? Surprisingly, the answer is no. In international arbitration, there is a powerful legal doctrine called the principle of separability, which allows the arbitration clause to remain valid even if the main contract is being challenged. So, what exactly is the principle of separability? In international arbitration, separability means that an arbitration clause is treated as a separate and independent agreement from the main contract. This means that even if the main contract is declared invalid, terminated, or disputed, the arbitration clause may still remain valid and enforceable. The main reason behind this principle is to protect the effectiveness of arbitration. Without separability, any party could simply avoid arbitration by arguing that the contract itself is invalid. If that were possible, arbitration would become unreliable as a dispute resolution mechanism. Well-known case that demonstrates this principle is Harbour Assurance v. Kanza about the General International Insurance in 1993. In this case, the parties had a contract that included an arbitration clause. However, when a dispute arose, one party argued that the contract was void because of fraud. The court had to decide whether the dispute should go to the court or still be resolved through arbitration. The court held that the arbitration clause was separable from the main contract. Therefore, even though the validity of the contract was being challenged, the arbitration clause remained enforceable. As a result, the dispute still had to be resolved through arbitration. From a practical perspective, this principle is extremely important in international commercial transactions. Business operating across borders need a reliable and predictable system to resolve disputes. If arbitration clause could easily become invalid whenever a contract is challenged, parties may use this strategy to avoid arbitration and delay the legal process. By recognizing the principle of separability, the law ensures that arbitration remains independent, efficient, and trustworthy for resolving international disputes. This is one of the reasons why arbitration is widely used in international business agreements. In conclusion, the principle of separability ensures that an arbitration clause stands independently from the main contract. Even if the contract itself is disputed or considered invalid, the arbitration agreement can still survive. And because of this principle, arbitration continues to be one of the most effective methods for resolving international commercial disputes. Thank you!